Meet the Nikola FCEV, a next-generation hydrogen-powered electric truck built for serious long-haul performance. Developed by Nikola Corporation, this truck combines fuel cell technology with electric power to deliver incredible range and fast refueling in just minutes. With smooth acceleration, powerful torque, and reduced downtime, it's designed to keep fleets moving efficiently. Its advanced safety systems and modern driver-focused cabin ensure comfort on every journey. Producing only water vapor as emissions, the Nikola FCEV is redefining clean transport and proving that zero-emission trucking can still be powerful, practical, and ready for the future.
What if a classic American truck went fully electric without losing its power? Meet the Peterbilt 579 EV, a bold step into the future of zero-emission trucking. Built by Peterbilt Motors Company, this fully electric heavy-duty truck delivers smooth, quiet performance with instant torque and impressive efficiency. Designed for regional haul and fleet operations, it offers reliable range and reduced operating costs. Advanced battery technology ensures consistent power, while regenerative braking boosts energy efficiency on every mile. Inside, the modern cabin provides comfort, smart controls, and driver-focused design. The Peterbilt 579 EV proves that electric trucks can be powerful, dependable, and ready to transform the future of transportation.
What if a heavy truck could deliver massive power with zero emissions and total efficiency? Meet the Scania 40R Electric, a powerful electric truck built for modern long-haul and regional transport. Developed by Scania, it delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation for a superior driving experience. Its advanced battery system provides dependable range, while fast-charging technology reduces downtime and keeps fleets moving. Designed with smart energy management and advanced safety features, it ensures efficiency and reliability on every journey. Inside, the premium driver-focused cabin offers comfort and control. The Scania 40R Electric proves that zero-emission trucking can be strong, efficient, and ready for the future.
What if efficiency, power, and zero emissions came together in one unstoppable truck? Meet the Kenworth T680E, a fully electric powerhouse built for modern freight demands. Engineered by Kenworth, this advanced truck delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and near-silent operation for a refined driving experience. Designed for regional and urban hauling, it offers dependable range with fast charging capability to keep fleets moving efficiently. Its intelligent energy management system maximizes performance while reducing operating costs. Inside, the spacious, driver-focused cabin ensures comfort and control on long routes. The Kenworth T680E proves that electric trucking is not just the future, it's already here, powerful, efficient, and ready to lead.
What if a compact truck could deliver big electric power with zero emissions? Meet the Kenworth K370E, a smart, fully electric truck built for urban performance and efficiency. Developed by Kenworth, it delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and whisper-quiet operation, making it perfect for city deliveries and regional routes. Its advanced battery system ensures reliable range, while fast charging capability minimizes downtime. With zero tailpipe emissions, it helps businesses reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing productivity. Inside, the ergonomic cabin offers comfort and modern controls for drivers. The Kenworth K370E proves electric trucks can be powerful, practical, and ready for the demands of today's logistics.
What if a heavy-duty truck could be powerful, silent, and completely emission-free? Meet the Volvo VNR Electric, a game-changing truck built for the future of clean transportation.
Engineered by Volvo trucks, it delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and ultra-quiet performance for urban and regional hauling. Its advanced battery system provides reliable range, while fast charging capability keeps downtime low. Designed with safety and efficiency in mind, it features intelligent driver assistance and energy management systems. Inside, the modern cabin ensures maximum comfort for long shifts. The Volvo VNR Electric proves that zero-emission trucks can be powerful, efficient, and ready to transform the logistics industry. What if long-haul trucking could go fully electric without losing power or performance? Welcome to the Renault Trucks E-Tech T, a next-generation electric truck built for efficient long-distance transport. Developed by Renault Trucks, it delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation for a refined driving experience. Its advanced battery system provides reliable range, while fast charging capability keeps downtime to a minimum. Designed with intelligent energy management and advanced safety features, it ensures maximum efficiency on every route. Inside, the modern cabin offers comfort and smart controls for drivers. The Renault Trucks E-Tech T proves that electric trucking is powerful, practical, and ready for the future.